Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. The radio we have here today is the RCI-2970N2. This is for Mark in Florida and it's a tune-up report. Mark, I've got the power all the way down right now. We've got 10 watts across the top scale. Dead key and 6 watts. Now I'm going to change this scale to 100 watts across here. See where 6 comes in. Alright, now I'm going to roll the power all the way up. You see it's right about 60. The peak power on this radio, 250 watts. We'll be reading it right across. There's 100, 150, 200, 250s in the corner. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we're going to hook it on side bin. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2. Let me turn that down. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's put it on there. And I'll put it out here. A breaker 19 for radio check.
Radio's working. Come on.
I appreciate it, driver. You have a great day. Thank you very much.
Is your CB shop?
Yeah, the one over here on Commercial Boulevard.
Oh, okay. I seen some. You put some stuff on YouTube.
Yes, sir. You're on YouTube right now.
Well, how cool is that, man? I've been checking out your videos from time to time there. I'm up from Kentucky there. I ran a load down here to right off of Commercial 10-4.
Well, all right. Well, in another month or so, when this finally gets uploaded, it's a 2970 for Mark in Florida, and you'll be on it. Roger.
Roger that. This Wild Bill from Kentucky talking on the striker 447. Come on.
10-4, Wild Bill. That sounded good, too. You have a fine day. Thanks for coming back to me. Take care.